Morel Restaurant is located in downtown Milwaukee, Wisconsin, in the famous Walker's Point area. Very spring, lemon and huckleberry, non-alcoholic, delicious, fruity. Out here, getting our Morel on. That's Morel fricassee. Roasted Morels on polenta. Let's try the first delicious bite. Morels are salted. There's a chive garlic flavor. Lots of garlic. Makes you want to eat them all very rapidly. Polenta is so light and creamy. Everything is seasoned very well. Delicious. Oh boy.
Oh, cheers.
I'm in heaven. That meaty, earthy Morel mushroom taste goes perfectly with the soft, creamy polenta. And that spike of garlic just melts all the flavors together. It's delicious. 10 out of 10. Well, that didn't take long. There it is. I just about decimated this plate in about 2 minutes because it's so perfect and good. Come on. Doesn't get any better than that. Morel's at Morel Restaurant, downtown Milwaukee. You know you want it, you know you do.
Here we are. Never caught a nudie.
That looks spectacular. Thank you.
Are you guys kind of putting some thought into your main courses here? So any other questions for me?
Morels, and nudie, made with piccata. Delicious. This is spring on a plate, especially this light pea broth.
Loving every bite?
Yes, definitely. Definitely. Here's a delicious ramp bulb to go with the fiddlehead ferns, morels, asparagus, and nudie. What a bite. This is a fantastic dish. Very delicious. Spring on a plate. Walleye, fiddleheads, asparagus, chard, ramps. The place is hopping. And this is my main. It's so delicious. The charred ramps are divine. Asparagus, the walleye is light and flaky. So good. Yeah, decimating this delicious walleye meal. So good. That was a stunning meal at Morel restaurant. My wonderful server Joey just drew a Morel picture for me, which is the sweetest thing. And I've just finished my multi-course dinner at Morel restaurant. It was fabulous. And it's a 10 out of 10 restaurant. You can stand by these wings here. There we go. Thanks so much for watching today, Shroomers. I hope you enjoyed the food.